আমাদের তৃতীয় ভিডিও। যারা প্রথম দ্বিতীয় ভিডিও দেখেননি তাদের জন্য ডিসক্রিপশন বোর্ডে লিঙ্ক দেওয়া থাকবে, দেখে নেবেন। Which of the following is more important? Looking ahead for hazard. Number 1 is correct answer. Driving condition on a route will be worse in the dry weather, worse in wet weather. Number 2 is correct answer. People walking along or crossing the road should be considered as among the many hazards of the road. Number 3 is correct answer. Which of the following will make you a more dangerous driving? Number 3 is correct answer. Drinking alcohol and also taking certain medicine. Number 3 is correct answer. Number 105. Spreading increase the risks of a crash because. Number 3 is correct answer. The faster you drive, the longer it takes to stop. You will be a safe driver if you drive just a little bit slow because you will have time to look at the scenery. You gain more experience by driving slow down. You can respond to hazard by slowing down quicker. Number 3 is correct answer. Looking at the diagram, if vehicle A stop now, vehicle B may crash into it. How could the risks of a crash like this be avoided? Both vehicles need to travel at a speed that will allow them to stop safely at intersection. Number 1 is correct answer. Driving under the influence of alcohol is dangerous and number 1 UAE traffic law provide it. Number 1 is correct answer. Driving under the influence of alcohol is punishable by. Number 3 is correct answer. 2 to 4 black point plus fine by court. At what speed should you travel on the road? Number 3 is correct answer. It's at a speed shown on a speed limit signaling or slower depending on the road condition. রোডে যেই কন্ডিশনে আমাদের লেখা থাকে 80, 40, ওই কন্ডিশনে আমাদেরকে গাড়ি চালানোর নিয়ম অবলম্বন করতে হবে। Just before you enter an intersection, the traffic signal turn red. What should you do? আপনি আসার আগ মুহূর্তেই রেড লাইট জ্বলে গেছে, তখন আপনি কি করবেন? স্টপ। ওই জায়গায় তৎক্ষণাৎ আপনাকে স্টপ রাখতে হবে। Number 3 is correct. How should you drive into a bend in the road? Slow down gradually. Number 2 is correct answer. What is the speed limit in residence area with signal line when there are no speed limit signaling? 40 kilometer. There is a signal white broken line painted in the center of a two-way road. Where must you drive? You must drive on the line. You must keep as close to the line as possible. You must keep to the right of the line. Number 3 is correct answer. A red traffic light means you must stop and wait. Number 1 is correct answer. A yellow traffic light means that you must মানে হলুদ লাইট জ্বালার মানে কি stop provide it safe to tow. Number 2 is correct answer. Pedestrians are using pedestrian light to cross the road you are turning into. When must you give way to the pedestrian? যারা হেঁটে পথচারী আছে তারা হেঁটে পথ পার হচ্ছে, তো আপনি কখন তাদেরকে পথ পার হওয়ার জন্য সহযোগিতা করবেন? এটা বলা হয়েছে, এটার উত্তর হলো অলওয়েজ, সর্বদা, যে কোনো ক্ষেত্রে আপনাকে সাহায্য করতে হবে পথচারীদের। You are approaching a stop signal. When must you stop? Number 1 is correct answer. Here say always, even if there is no other traffic. সব সময় আপনাকে যে কোনো ক্ষেত্রে স্টপ রাখতে হবে, এবং এখানে যদি ভালো একটা ট্রাফিক না থাকে বা কোনো সমস্যা না থাকে, আপনি যদি সেফ মনে করেন। You want to drive straight through an intersection where there are no light or signal. You must give way to any vehicle on your left. Number 1 is correct. You must give way to any vehicle on your left. You are avoid to make a U-turn. You must have a clear view of traffic on the road. Number 3 is correct answer, in both directions. How should you leave a freeway? Stop and give way to any other vehicle. Continue to drive the same speed. Number 3 is correct answer. Be in the correct lane, signal and adjust your speed when on an exit ramp. When must you drive with your headlight and tail light on? Only when it is dark only Marat Road. Number 3 is correct answer. Here say between sunset and sunrise, and when the weather condition reduce visibility. You are driving towards an intersection that has green light and you see the traffic is blocking the intersection. What should you do? Stop and wait for the intersection to clear. Number 3 is correct answer. You are dazzled by the light on an oncoming vehicle. You should. Number 3 is correct answer. Slow down and move to the right if safe to do so. You wish to overtake safely on a two-way road. You must not overtake if there are two solid yellow lines in the center of the road. Number 3 is correct answer. You are driving vehicle A. There are no oncoming vehicle. Which diagram shows a situation where you are permitted to overtake? Number 3 is correct answer. You are overtaking one way to know when it is safe to return to your line is to turn on your left indicator 5 seconds, to wait until, number 2 is correct, to wait until you see both headlight of the vehicle you have overtaken in your rear view mirror. Signaling. So what does signaling mean? এই সিগন্যালের মানেটা কি? সিগন্যালের মানে হলো you cannot stop on the right side. Number 2 is correct answer. Keeping a record of each driving lesson is good because you can check that you have practiced a wide range of driving condition. Include fact, avoid giving way other vehicle on the road. Number 1 is correct answer. When you are driving behind a truck, it is best to drive. Number 2 is correct. 2 নম্বরটাই কারেক্ট হবে। এটা বলা হয়েছে far enough behind the truck so you can see the drive in the truck rear vision mirror. What does this signaling means? The signaling means first one, প্রথমটা উত্তর, profit exceeding the 80 kph speed limited. What does signaling mean? The signaling means first one, the road ahead narrows. প্রথমটাই উত্তর। What does this signaling means? Right line may merge to the left. Right line close ahead. Right hand line close ahead. Number 2 is correct answer. Right line close ahead. What does this signaling means? Warning road worker ahead. So number 1 is correct. What should you do when a worker on the road in front of you is holding the signal? Drive slowly and observe any direction from the road worker. Number 1 is correct answer. The signal shows that the next exit is Al-Safa to the left. Number first one, প্রথমটাই উত্তর হবে। What does this signal means? Route to the left is closed. No traffic from the left. You must not turn left. Number 3 is correct. What does this signal means? Number 2 is correct answer. What does this signal means? Number 2 is correct answer. T intersection ahead slowly turn. What does this signal mean? Vehicle must stop and give way. Right. First one. প্রথমটাই উত্তর হবে। What does this signal means? Line close to traffic. Emergency line close to traffic. প্রথমটাই উত্তর। What does this signal means? এখানে হবে number 3 answer. Tunnel ahead. Which signal means it is allowed to make a U-turn ahead? Number প্রথমটাই উত্তর। Which signal means it is allowed to make U-turn ahead? This one is first one. Which does signal means? The first one is answer. Several bend in the road ahead. What does this signal means? Signal means is move to the left line. Move to the left line. First one is answer. Which signal means the road height limited? Number 2 is correct answer. 4.2. This signal indicated the area where vehicle can park. Number 1 is answer. তো প্রিয় দর্শক, দেখতে দেখতে আমাদের দ্বিতীয় ক্লাস শেষ হয়ে গেল। পরবর্তী ক্লাসের জন্য অপেক্ষা করুন, ইনশাআল্লাহ অতি তাড়াতাড়ি চলে আসবে। দেখা হবে 4th নম্বর ক্লাসে। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।